Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So the bulls still heading stronger. We had a battle for 215 for most of the second half of the day. The 20 period moving average on the hourly chart was 215. The 5 minute, 100 and 200 period moving averages were 215, and we went back and forth over that level a lot. So there's no clear indication here at the end of the day. Of course, very fitting, we close at 215, and we're seeing a couple little cracks in the armor because of the extremely bullish activity over the past 4 days. So we're starting to see the first little bit of weakness. I'm looking at 214.60, 214.35, and 214.25 as some key supports. I personally have some SPY puts just because I entered at 215 resistance and my stop loss never triggered. So one thing that does have me a little bit confident is QQQ. Now there have been times in the past couple of months that we have seen QQQ give a little bit of a lead indication as to what the markets are going to do, and we're seeing that here potentially again. So a bearish reversal candlestick yesterday, a bearish engulfing candlestick today, confirming it, breaking the low of yesterday, and the other markets, IWM and S&P 500, are not seeing action like that at all. So we have seen action before. Right here was an example. This was a bearish reversal doji for QQQ back on June 8th, and if you look at IWM and SPY and the XPX, the S&P 500, they had a bullish candlestick this day, and then it led to the drop, and then the markets dropped as well, but there was a one-day heads up in QQQ, so we've been watching QQQ to be a little bit of a lead indicator in this instance, and this could be another example where it does play out. So we're going to be watching. The past 3 days, there was also a pattern of bullish in the morning, and then a little sell-off at the end of the day, and then after hours, we see the bulls drive the price higher for a higher open in the after hours and pre-market sessions. We did not see that today. We saw bearish in the morning and a little bit of bullish activity at the end of the day. So that was a change in the trend that we had seen the past 3 days. So there's just a few little red flags that set up. I don't have a big put position, and I will be exiting if we see 215 as solid support and a new all-time high above 215.45. But I am liking the potential to see a lower open tomorrow because of those factors. We also need to factor in oil. Make sure to check out my oil video I'm going to be doing here next. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a great night.